Any idea what this is? A few weeks ago, I was walking through the alley and I found a nice piece of mahogany plywood. I grabbed it, of course. The only problem is I left it out all night and it just so happened to rain really hard. When I got up in the morning, this is what I found. The rain had warped the wood so bad and peeled off the top layer of veneer, I actually found it sitting on top just like this. So if you're ever wondering how to make yourself a set of owl eyes, this is how you do it. Which brings me to today's video. I'm going to take one thing and turn it into another. Last week, I showed you an old, worn out, faded wooden box. It had rusty handles and hinges. And this week, I decided to make something cool and useful out of it. Welcome to Alley Picked. My friend Brian gave me these legs, which I've been holding on to until the right project came along. And this is the perfect project. There's 3 basic steps to today's project. First, I'm going to refinish the wooden box and all the rusty hardware. Then I'm going to refinish the legs and the wheels. And then I'm going to marry the two together to create a really cool, one-of-a-kind farmhouse storage chest. Now that it's finished, I'm going to give it a coat of water-based polyurethane. You don't want to use oil-based on this because it will turn it a little bit of a yellowish. This stuff dries clear, so it's a good choice in this case to put on top of this because it is going to get a beating. I mean, people are going to be putting stuff on top of this, and you want to protect the paint. Thanks for watching Alley Pick. I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.